Okay, solving a subtraction problem using fractions. Let's always keep in mind that when we're doing these problems, there are a couple things we want to look for. So I'll do a similar problem. Let's try 12 and 1/3 minus, let's do 1/2. Now, while solving this problem, the first question you need to think about is, well, how much first do you have? You have 12 and 1/3. You're taking away half. If you look at these two fractions, you're going to notice that 1/3 minus 1/2 is something that I can't do. So I have to do that wonderful thing called borrowing. All right, I'm not going to spell it out because it takes too much time. So here's going to be my first step. I'm going to change my denominators so that they're the same. So I know that I can't turn the 2 into a 3, so I'm going to cross multiply. And I know that 2 times 3 is 6, so that becomes my new denominator. And my new denominator is 6 here too. I did 2 times 3 to get 6, so I have to do 1 times 3. So this was times 3, and this is going to be times 3. So now 3 times 1 is 3, so I know my new denominator is there. I know I did this times 2, so whatever I do to the top, I do the bottom, or vice versa. 2 times 1 is 2. So I have 12 and 2/6 minus 3/6. Well, 2 minus 3 I can't do, so I'm going to have to borrow. I'm going to change my pen color. So I'm going to take my 12 and turn that into an 11 because I borrowed from it. I'm going to take that whole that I borrowed and turn it into a 6/6. And I'm going to add that to the 2/6 I already had. So my new number is going to be 11 and 8/6. And I'm still subtracting that from, or subtracting 3/6 from it. Now my denominators are the same. I have 8 minus 3, which I know is going to be 5. My denominator stays as a 6. I have 11 holes here, and I'm not taking away any holes over here, so my answer is 11 and 5/6. That is how you subtract using borrowing.